Jai Hind student, we know that CBSE has released the new revised syllabus for 2020-21 session only. This rationalization of the syllabus has been made due to the pandemic corona COVID-19 effect. There are forced closure of the schools all around the country. Students are not taking part in the school, they are not able to go to school, and the online classes are going on. Therefore, lots of suggestions regarding the construction of the syllabus. More than 1.5 lakhs suggestions came from the expert, from the parent sides to the CBSE, and ultimately CBSE with the board of directors and the subject experts and different committees had altogether taken the decision to cut short the syllabus for 2020-21 only up to 30%. So this cut short of the syllabus, and here I am with you to show you with the PowerPoint presentation about the biology syllabus, which is cut by 30%. This is the biology syllabus, and here there is the chapter. You see the world of living, unit 2, still here, life process, living being, basic concept, nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion in plants and animals we have to read. Reproduction we have to read, reproduction in animals and plants up to childbearing and women's health, as usual as it was in 2019-20 in the previous syllabus. Heredity also. In heredity, the basic concept of evolution, means heredity and evolution chapter was there. The concept of evolution was cut short. Now in this year, it is not included in the syllabi. So only heredity we have to read, the heredity, Mendel's contribution, laws of inheritance of trait, sex determination, and a brief introduction. In the 2019-20, in the previous year, when you see the mark, it was 23 marks altogether from this unit 2, world of living. Still in this year also 23 marks question will come. Only the cut short was that the evolution chapter is removed from here. Now in unit 5, there is the natural resources, and in that unit something is cut. There were 3 chapters. There were the sources of energy, our environment, and management of natural resources. So sources of energy has been removed from here. So natural resources, in that unit 5 you have to read only 2 chapters, our environment, management of natural resources. When you see the audit of marks in the last year, you will find that in the last year there were 7 marks questions were coming from this unit 5 chapter. Now in this year only 2 marks is less, that is 5 marks question will come from this unit. So total 5 chapters in biology we have to read. Now see this previous year slide, 2019-20 slides, and what was the course structure in class 10 up to 80% marks, 80 marks. There were 5 units. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units were there. Number 1, chemical substances in nature. For biology, there were unit number 2 and number 5. For biology, it is unit number 2 and unit number 5. World of living and natural resource. See, in the last year, the total marks were 23, and in the natural resources there were 7 marks. So 23 marks is still constant in this year, but 7 marks has been reduced to 5 marks. Now the previous year session, these were the chapters: unit 2, world of living, life process, control and coordination, reproduction, heredity and evolution. But life process still as usual in this year also, but the control and coordination in animals and plants have completely been removed. It is completely removed. See, I have already cut here. So you should that is a removal means it is not completely or permanently deleted. Only due to the COVID-19 effect, that chapter will not, these questions will come from this portion only. But the CBSE also already instructed or guided the schools. Guidelines have already been provided by the CBSE that the teachers must teach these chapters, but the questions will not come, because you know that all the chapters are interlinked with each other. So in the classroom, these types of chapters, those which are already cut, these will be taught, but the question will not come. So such type of confusion should not be there in the mind, because most of the cadets have that confusion that it is already or permanently deleted and it will not be taught in the coming months. But it is not the case. Reproduction as usual. Heredity, in this heredity, just here the basic concept of evolution chapter is already removed. Okay, temporarily removed. Now, in the previous year, for Unit 5, I have already stated natural resources. Natural resources, sources of energy is completely removed from this portion. So, I have cut mark, but the portion will be taught in the classroom, but the question will not be entertained. Our environment, management of natural resources. These two questions is chapters is as usual. These two chapters are as usual, and the questions will come. And for this, there were 5 marks questions will come from these portions only. So I hope that you have seen the units previous and this current year, and I have compared those things. Now come to the next slide. In the next slide, practicals. Come to the practical portion. Practicals should be conducted alongside the concept taught in the theory classes. That is compulsory part of the school, all the CBSE affiliated schools. List of experiment of biology for the 2019-20. What was that? What were the list of the experiment? And now what are the list of experiment for this year? So for the last year, it was 1, 2, 3. These 3 experiments were to be performed, and it was going on. That is preparation of temporary mount of leaf pill to show the stomata from Unit 2. Also from Unit 2, experimental carbon dioxide given out during respiration, and from Unit 2, the identification of different parts of the embryo of a dicot seed. So these were the 3 experiments that were conducted in the last year. But what is the condition in this year? See, now in this year practical, there were 2 practicals only. There are 2 practicals only, and these 2 practicals are also from the Unit 2 only. And this is that same one practical is taken from last year, carbon dioxide given during respiration, and new practical is added, that is binary fission of amoeba and budding in the yeast. So these 2 practicals will have to be performed side wise as per the theory classes will go on in the school, or that is online. Now what is the that is a distribution of marks, and how the internal assessment of 20 marks will be done. That is internal assessment, that is 80 marks question you will see in the board examination, but the 20 marks questions, that is internal assessment, will be based on the periodic assessment. 5 marks plus 5 marks periodic assessment, 5 marks will be there. Subject enrichment practical work, 5 marks. Okay, practical work, that is practical, and portfolio will be the 5 marks. So 5 5 5 5, there are 20 marks. So 20 marks questions will come, and 80 marks will be given in the as a questions. And what are the subject of the questions? Which type of questions will become? So these are the subjects. You just read these subjects as the when you see the last year questions, you will see that all these topics are to be covered. It was covered, and the questions were based on these types of titles. Now, the basic informations from my side for the students who are learning in my school, Sainik School Nalanda, and here this is the all together what we have to do, what we have to complete. So I have already made a road map for the students, that they should not get diverted, though the online classes are going on in a full-fledged in our school. So in serial number 1, that is Unit 2. Unit 2 is covering 3 chapters, that is life process, that is how do organism reproduce, and heredity and evolution. So heredity and that is life process, there are 4 chapters: nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. So in the nutrition that already have completed, and respiration already completed. Now transportation, that is 3rd week of July. So these are the road map that we have to follow. Suppose that you want to see that what has to be read in this how do organism reproduce. So I am clicking here page number 127 to 132, that is 1st week of August. We will start and we will made the video and the presentation slideshow and many other things, whatever it is required for you to make you clear the concept. That is on that day, on this that particular week, we will learn about the reproduction and page number 127, 132. These are all topics we have to learn. Okay, I will make the video, I will make the PowerPoint presentation slide and other things to make your concept very clear. That is reproduction, about DNA, importance of variation, modes of reproduction, vegetative reproduction, these all things. Okay, and teaching aids will be slideshow presentation by Google Meet or Microsoft Team. So in this way, I have already distributed the month wise, and we have already planned to complete the syllabi before November, up to the November only. Okay, because just after November, there will be the pre-board examinations will be conducted in our school. So the students are requested to see these slides completely, because these are all the roadmap how to just run the syllabi of biology with the month or with a week wise. Okay, so these are all things. The biology practicals also, the biology practical unit 2 practicals, there is number 1 practical, carbon dioxide evolution during respiration and binary fission. It will be conducted in the 4th week of October and 3rd week of October. Okay, so up to the October, I think 4th week of October and 3rd week of October, here 3rd week of October is already there, but binary fission is a very small practical, so I have clubbed this practical to the 3rd week of October. So it means that up to the 4th week of October, we will finally complete the syllabus, and in the November month, we will have the revision classes. So complete revision classes of all the 5 chapters will be there, and whatever the doubts and whatever the confusions will be there, we will just carry on. We will cover up all the different types of confusions and doubts. Okay, so I hope that I have made you clear about the systematic distribution of the biology chapters, and the month wise distribution and months weeks target for the completion, and what are the topics. So these all are topics. So just you can see, I am just showing you all the topics. That is 127, 133. Now see, that is 133. These all are here. Okay, 137. Just see one time, and 138. Okay, 142. Sorry, this is 142. Okay, 142. This is 144. Okay, 144. This is 146. Page number 146. Okay, this is page number 256. 256. We have to read these things. Okay, 261, 260 or 263. This is our environment chapter. Okay, 263. Now in the next slide, there is 268, management of natural resources. We have to read these things, and 269, and we have to read these things. Okay, so up to this portion we have already completed, and in the next video we will start learning the concepts of different chapters step by step and in a systematic manner, that whatever I have given, whatever the planning was given by me, planning is given by me, that has to be clearly set in your mind. Otherwise you will get confused. I will not, but you will. So don't leave the class, don't go away from the classes, and try to follow all those videos step by step, because these videos are scientifically made for you, and these are highly conceptual. There should not be any doubts, I hope so. If there are any doubts, you can consult me via phone. Okay, so we will meet again. Thank you. Jai Hind.